What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at our Dutchess yard and we have this new truck here that we put this salt spreader on the other day. We had Kevin tack the salt spreader to these channels and he also tacked these brackets to the channels, but we had our welder come today and he welded everything complete across. So now that is done. If we ever want to pull this salt spreader off, we can just unbolt these brackets that are down the side and take this right off. We will have to set it on blocks just so it sits there because these tabs are obviously lower than the channel. But the reason we are here is we have to pull these fender brackets off, and then we are jacking this truck up and taking these wheels off. Matt is coming tomorrow to change the leaf springs. I have them outside in the back of my truck, but we also bought this new 4-ton jack today, so it's going to be nice to see how it works. It should lift this up, no issue, but we got to put that together real quick and then try and jack it up and see what happens. You want me to go in there?
Yeah.
Oh, it's that. Oh, okay. 1 second. Kevin, I think this is too small.
What is?
This socket or this wrench you give me? I think it's the next size up.
Yeah, it might be. I got it over here.
What do I have? It should be 1 inch, maybe?
What we got right here?
How's that? No wa- oh yeah, there's a washer here. Alright, here's this. Bolts in here. You need me to hold it?
Working right now.
Oh, it might just be spinning everything. That's what you're.
No, it's coming
Oh yeah, it is like that.
Attention. This here. Where'd that go? 1, 2. One, 2.
That hurts so bad. You want me to get up there? Alright guys, we just got all the wheels off. We took the fender brackets, which 2 of them are here. They're just a big bolt through the frame with the nut on the inside. That's what these holes are for, which Kevin, I think you drilled these holes the other day, right? Yep. Yeah. So those weren't there. They had to use the mag drill to make those. But we got it up on 2 jack stands there. Same thing on this side. Same thing with the holes here you had to make. But that's pretty much it for this new jack that we got here. Works great. Lifted this truck with the sander on it, no problem. But I'll show you here. You can see the leaf spring cracked there. This one's cracked here. I don't think it's cracked anywhere here. That's just paint chipping off. Let's take a look at the other side real quick and see if this side's cracked at all, which I don't think it is. Oh yeah, cracked here, cracked there. So we do have both sets. I'll show you real quick in the bed of my truck here. We're gonna pull out, throw in here. We also loaded up the toolboxes off that rack body truck to leave here, but 2 sets of leaf springs, all the U-bolts and everything, all in here. So we got to get this unloaded. We're just going to leave this stuff in here, and tomorrow Matt is coming. Me and Kevin are meeting Matt here, and we're going to give him a hand with this. It's not anything too crazy, but better to have extra hands just in case. But I think that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.